Now, if you love coffee but hate waiting in queues, this might be your best friend. It is the Philips LatteGo EP5000 series, and it makes up to 20 hot and iced drinks. Today we're going to test how it works in a real kitchen. All right, let's get it going. Now, the QuickStart feature means that we don't have to wait for our machine to warm up. I'm going to turn it on like so. And it works by heating up the brewing system depending on which recipe that you choose. Whether it's a short espresso or a longer recipe, it will heat up faster depending on what you choose. First, I'm going to put in the drip tray. Now I'm going to fill up the water tank. Now I'm going to attach the LatteGo milk frother. And finally, I'm going to add beans to the top. And I'm just going to pop the lid on. When it brews, the machine uses an aroma extract system. And that's what gives it that beautiful crema and cafe quality taste. Let me show you the menu. You can choose from 20 pre-programmed hot and iced drinks. Everything from a flat white or cappuccino to an iced latte. It is all pre-programmed and customizable on the touchscreen display. From here, you can access these 7 drinks. Now, this is how you make it your own. There are 4 user profiles plus to guest one, so you can save your favorites. So if you share your machine, everyone can have their own coffee saved at just one tap away. This is the LatteGo milk system. It has 2 parts, no tubes, and rinses clean in under 10 seconds. The SilentBrew technology means it is Quiet Mark certified. It is great for those quiet mornings or when you want to make a coffee when you're in a call or a meeting. Maintenance is minimal thanks to the AquaClean filter. You can make up to 5,000 cups of coffee without descaling. It purifies the water before brewing so your coffee tastes more flavoursome. And your machine will prompt you when it's time to change the filter. And because it's ceramic, it is durable, so it stops the beans from overheating and you always get that fresh coffee aroma. Let me show you how my 2 favourite coffees compare in the Philips LatteGo EP5000 series. With the LatteGo system, even with plant-based milk, you get silky smooth foam every time. Oh, that aroma is really strong. Oh, it truly is cafe quality from beans to cup. Overall, the Philips LatteGo EP5000 series makes cafe quality coffee simple. It is quick to start, easy to clean, tastes great, and gives me total variety. For anyone wanting cafe style convenience, quality and taste, this ticks every box.